Hey everyone, welcome back to Pannu's Quilling Point, and yes, you are at perfect point watching me Pradnya on this Arty Crafty channel. So today's video is not a regular one, it is a review video of Super Quiller from Quillon. So recently I faced up a challenge to make tight coils in bulk, and as we do manually, I also started doing it with a normal needle. And then I thought that it is not helping me to cope up with the time. So then I thought I must go to a AutoQuiller. So then I bought this Super Quiller from Quillon, and it's actually a Super Quiller. So now I'm using it for a month, you can say, and then I noticed some pros and cons. So now let's move to some pros and cons that I thought I must share with you. Let's start with the cons. While using 3mm strip, I noticed that the 3mm strips while removing the complete coil gets easily slipped off because the slit of the needle is long or is deep. Until and unless you are used to it, it's okay. But if you are a beginner, then it is difficult for you. Then the second con I noticed is they have not provided a finer needle along with the normal needle. So I think finer needle is required if you are a proper quiller. So these are the two cons I thought of this AutoQuiller. So now moving on with the pros. So first pro I thought is a fast production. It is actually a fast production. I noticed it in few hours that, oh my god, I made so many tight coils by using the AutoQuiller. Then the second pro I thought is low battery usage. So the cell which I'm using are still going on, and it is good. We don't have to rush to a shop again to buy new batteries every week. The third pro I thought that the build of the Super Quillon body is really good. It does not heat up, and it is not risky to give to kids above 6 years. So these are pros and cons I thought about the Super Quiller. If you want to add up something, you can comment in the comment section and let us know. So if you are thinking to buy this AutoQuiller online, you can check the link in the description. Okay, and also along with this box they have provided, I don't know whether you can rate this or not, they have provided 200 assorted quilling strips. So I'm going to make another video about telling about these strips, so you can watch that video. If you are new to this channel, this is Pannu's Quilling Point, and you can subscribe to the channel to stay tuned. We are making tutorial videos on quilling and also business of quilling. How can you turn it into a business? So for that you can check my other videos and hit the like button if you like this review, and also comment if you find this helpful. Bye bye.